Okay, so I've talked before about how much I love canvas panels because they're cheap, but they're also easy to frame. Well, obviously, canvas, the classic stretched canvas, is what everyone's normal sort of go-to is, which I do use as well. As far as framing, I just stick a nail in my wall and hang that schnizzle right up. It's as easy as that. Although I'm a little sad, I have to like go out and pay $1 million for a regular frame in order to do that, which I don't tend to do because it's just too costly. However, if you are going to invest in some canvases, some classic pre-stretched canvases, I highly recommend getting a set of oval canvases. There is something about an oval canvas to me that is just so inspiring. Something about having like a built-in shape. It kind of creates a natural frame for whatever it is that you are painting, your subject in the middle. I'm absolutely obsessed. I think it just automatically sets your subject apart. It makes it more interesting. It makes it more captivating. It makes it more beautiful. I do love a circle, but hands down, an oval for me is where it's at. I really I'm so inspired when I see an oval canvas. It definitely like levels up the lessons that I'm teaching. It levels up the fun for me. It immediately like sparks like ideas and inspiration because I'm like, who's going to be there? Is it going to be a dog? Is it going to be a deer? Is it going to be a mysterious mistress? Is it going to be Sugar Skull? Like the possibilities are endless. So I highly recommend if you're going to go buy a canvas, don't buy a boring rectangle one. I would definitely throw some oval ones in your shopping cart. I don't think you're going to regret it. Plus, if you're taking lessons with me, there's lots to do. So that is my opinion on pre-stretched canvases. Get some ovals. So fun.